Hey, what's going on guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to demonstrate and talk you through a band anti-rotation press. Sometimes we will do these on our Monday workouts, sometimes we will do these on total body strength day on Fridays. Band anti-rotation press is not actually a pressing exercise. Yes, it is going to work the shoulders, but only really secondarily, okay? It is primarily a core exercise, and the goal of an anti-rotation press is to keep or resist that band from rotating your body as you're performing the exercise, okay? Now, when I perform an anti-rotation press, my first coaching cue and recommendation for you is going to be to perform this in half kneeling position with your down knee being the knee that is closest to the band, okay? Now, what I'm first gonna do is take that band inside the palm of my hand, close that hand, bring the other hand over, and step out just a little bit, okay? I'm gonna bring this near knee down, other knee is gonna be up, right like so. Hands are gonna be right in the middle of my body, okay? Now this is primarily an oblique exercise, so my goal with my obliques working as a stabilizer on this exercise are gonna be to keep my body from rotating as I press that band out, okay? Next coaching cue for you, go nice and slow on these and create a straight path with the hands all the way out and all the way back, okay? So I'm gonna press my hands out. I can really feel my oblique engage and then bring them back in. Out and then in. I don't wanna go too fast with the reps, and if that band pulls my hands in at an angle, what that essentially means is that I've gotta bring my stance in a little bit or really work to resist that band with my core so that that doesn't happen again, okay? If you have somebody that's really struggling with this exercise, coach them first by facing them and tracing a path for their hands. Guide their hands where their hands are supposed to press out. Work with them on the pacing and tempo of performing the exercise, and have them use, to start off with, your light band or your red band, whichever that may be, so that they can feel the exercise effectively but not be pulled by too high a band tension. Anyway, use those coaching cues the next time we do band anti-rotation presses in one of our boot camp workouts.